Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to create a Facebook page from my Facebook account. So let's get started. First thing you're gonna do is head over to the left hand side of your screen and click on Pages. Then you're going to click on Create New Page. From here, you're going to fill these in, starting with page name. I'm just going to put example here, but this is obviously going to be the name of your page. Next is the category, what your page is about. For example, photography or video gaming, stuff like that. You can list multiple categories if you wanted to. I'm just going to put video game here as an example. Then we have bio, but this is optional, so you can just skip this for now if you wanted to. After that, all you have to do now is hit create page. And that's pretty much it. As you can see, it's not letting me create a page though, due to the name of my page that I put, which is example. But anyway, thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.